Hello students, now we will discuss finite integration. Uh, this is lecture number 5. Okay. Finite integration, this is the format of finite integration. Integration of a function from a to b. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. This is a function. It may be any like that. X square, it may be like that, it may be like that. Okay. This is very simple. Let us discuss these examples one by one. Now, example number 1. Integration of x square dx. This is very simple. X square dx, and you know that integration of x square is x cube upon 3. But there is a limit from 3 to 5. From 3 to 5, lower limit is 3 and upper limit is 5. After integration you will have x to the power 3 upon 3. Put big bracket and put the limits, that is 5 and 3. Just integrate as you have integrated previously. X cube will become x to the power 3 upon x square become x to the power 3 upon 3, and from 3 to 5. And now in the next step, put the value of upper limit. Put upper limit in a whole function where the in place of x put the value of 5. Put the value of upper limit, and minus then put the value of lower limit. Like x to the power 3 means in place of x you will write 5 to the power 3 upon 3 minus then lower limit, that is 3 to the power 3 upon 3. It will become 125 upon 3 minus 9 upon 3 means 116 upon 3. That is your final answer. Now next example, that is next example is x to the power 3 plus x square minus 3 dx from minus 1 to 2. X cube become x to the power 4 upon 4 plus x to the power 3 upon 3 minus 3x. Put big bracket and put the limits from minus 1 to 2. This is very simple, and now put in the bracket, first in place of x put 2 and then minus put in place of x minus 1. Okay. Now x to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4 upon 4 plus 2 to the power 3 upon 3 minus 3 into 2. This is the upper limit, and minus put the lower limit, that is minus 1 to the power 4 upon 4 plus minus 1 to the power 3 upon 3 minus 3 into minus 1, and solve, you will have answer. Okay. Now example number 3. Example number 3, that is sin x plus cos x from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is what? Pi by 2 is 90 degree and minus pi by 2 is minus 90 degree. Okay. Now after integration you will have integration of sin x is minus cos x, and integration of cos x is sin x. Okay, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Put the values in first bracket, put the upper limit, that is minus cos pi by 2 sin pi by 2. In another bracket put the lower limit, cos minus pi by 2 sine minus pi by 2. 0 plus 1 minus, this is 0, and plus minus pi by 2 sine minus pi by 2 is minus sine pi by 2, that is minus 1. Okay, now 1 minus minus become plus is equal to 2. That is the this is your final answer. Hope you are understanding. Now example number 4. Example number 4 is integration u du from u to v. U du means just we have changed the variable. It will be equals to u square upon 2. Put big bracket and put the limits. In place of u, replace v square upon 2 in one bracket, in minus in another bracket, u square upon 2. Replace u by u, it will be u only. Okay, now u square upon 2 minus, sorry, v square upon 2, u square upon 2, it will be v square minus u square upon 2. This is your final answer. Now example number 5 and last. Okay, example number 5 is integration m by l x square dx. You know that we are going to integrate this function with respect to x, and m by l is a constant. M by l is constant. It can be taken out of the integral, and we have to integrate from minus l by 2 to l by 2. First integrate simply like m by l is constant. It can be taken out of the integral m by l, and integration of x square will be equals to x to the power 3 upon 3, and from minus l by 2 to l by 2. You can take 3 out of the integral, means m by 3l. In place of x cube, put value of l by 2 whole cube minus l by 2 whole cube. Okay, now m by 3l, it will be equals to l to the power 3 upon 8 minus plus l to the power 3 upon 8. It will become m by 3l 2l cube upon 8. 4 l will cancel, means ml square, 1l cancel, ml square upon 12. This is your final answer. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.